Hey guys, Andres here. Today we're working on how to fix a running toilet. And as you can see, the water just keeps running and running. The flapper is in good conditions, and I also tried to adjust the float, but it didn't help me at all. This is just pretty much an old fill valve, and as you can see, it's just time to replace it. These are the items that we need, and you actually only need one wrench, and you might not even need to use it, but it's good to have one in just in case. Now there are three different fill valves. It don't really matter as long as you replace it with this universal one. So the job should be the same. And this is only like a $7 job. So it's worth it to just get a new one and replace it. Let's open our toilet fill valve and we can see everything that comes in the box. First, turn off the water to the toilet. Second, let's flush the toilet to drain most of the water from the tank. Third, let's remove the water supply connector from the bottom of the tank. Next, let's remove the old lug nut. In my case, I'm going to use this wrench. In many cases, you'll be able to do it by hand just to take off the lug nut. But in this case, it was just very, very tight. So I just ended up using a wrench. Once you have the lug nut out, you pretty much will be able to pull the whole fill valve out of the way. Alright guys, so now we need to make sure that we have a 3-inch clearance between the fill valve cap and the top of the overflow pipe. If you need to adjust the height of the fill valve, as you can see, I'm going with my right hand, I'm holding the fill valve, and then with my left hand, I'm twisting it to the right. Alright guys, so now we need to install our new lug nut. Next, we need to push our refill tube onto the fill valve. Now, this black item came with the whole kit, but I didn't end up using it because I already had something to be able to hold the tube in place. But if you don't have that, you need to use this piece. As you can see, that's what you see. I already have a place that will be holding the whole tube. Now we need to attach the water supply connector to the fill valve. Now let's turn on the water back to the toilet. Now we want to dry the whole area to make sure that we can check for leaks later. It's been around 15 minutes, so now I'm just checking for leaks. As you can see, now the water is completely still and there's no sign of a running toilet anymore. So if you check for leaks and everything's dry, you are pretty much done. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.